So for the first material is gonna be the solid plywood material. So what is solid plywood? So solid plywood is the material that engineered wood made by layering of wood veneer. So after the basic introduction, of course you guys have to know what's the benefit of the material, right? So firstly, for the solid plywood. So solid plywood, the first benefit is going to be the strong and durable. Plywood's multi-layered constructions gives it excellent strength, resisting warping and handling heavy loads. Secondly, the water resistant. More resistant to moisture than MDF or particle board, making it sustainable for humid environments like bathroom or kitchens. Third, the cost effectiveness. Offer the strength of solid wood at a lower price range, providing good value without sacrificing any much of quality. And then the fourth one, the lightweight. Solid plywood is very easy to install and handle than solid wood while still maintaining the durability. Last but not least, the eco-friendliness. Using solid plywood, you can use less wood and reducing the waste and promoting the sustainability while using the solid plywood to protect your kitchen. So for the next material is going to be the solid wood. Solid wood is natural material that made by trees, oak or even maple. So for the material of solid wood, let's go into its benefit. So firstly, the timeless aesthetics. Timeless aesthetic means that solid wood cabinets offer a warm, rich and natural appearance that adds character to any kitchen without considering the trendy option, especially in traditional or premium designs. Secondly, the durability. Known for its strength and resilience, solid wood can last for decades with proper care. Last but not least, the premium outlook. The natural grains and textures cannot be pretended. The wood like oak, walnut and maple give kitchens an upscale and classic vibe. So for the popular wood types, we have like oak, walnut and maple. Solid wood are best for premium, classic or traditional kitchen where a timeless natural look is needed. So the other material that I'm going to recommend is the aluminium material. A lot of people of course heard of this word. So for the basic introduction, aluminium material is made from a lightweight, durable material and commonly used for wet kitchen for heavy cooking. So when it comes to the famous aluminium material, let's go through its very good benefits. So the first one is going to be the fire resistant. Aluminium cabinets are not flammable, offering a safety in the event of a kitchen fire. Secondly, the termite proof. So unlike wood, aluminium cabinets are naturally resistant to termites and other bio animals like cockroaches and something like that and other pests, making them ideal for humid environments. But last but not least, the easy to clean ability. With a smooth surface, aluminium is simple to wipe down and maintain. Best for what? Aluminium is going to be the contemporary kitchens, minimalist kitchens and wet kitchens of course, because it's very suitable for heavy cooking area. So for the material part, last but not least, the laminate. So what is laminate? Laminate is a synthetic paper that made by layering of fabric or papers with resin that can imitate a lot of different colors. So last but not least, we reach the laminate, which is the skin of all kitchen cabinets. So firstly, let's go through the benefit. The first benefit is going to be the affordable. Laminate is cost effective, making it a great option for budget-friendly kitchen design. Secondly, durable. Scratch resistant and easy to maintain. Laminate is the well suited for high traffic kitchens. For example, if your kitchens have a lot of heavy cooking, laminate is your best choice. The third one is going to be the wide variety of choices and colors. Available in many colors, patterns and textures, including wood-like finishes, allowing for versatile design option. Last but not least, the moisture resistant. Not only laminate offer you a very stylish look, but it also protect your kitchen from swelling. So, laminate are best for homes where affordability and low maintenance are top priorities and a stylish finished kitchen. So for the top rated accessories for your kitchen cabinet, the firstly is gonna be the handles. Okay, so why handle is so important? As you can see, this is a cabinet door and handles. These handles particularly very classical. Handles are very important for your drawers and your cabinet doors. So handles and knobs are essential hardware components used on kitchen cabinets and drawers for functionality and design. They come in various shapes, sizes and materials such as metal, wood, ceramic, offering both practical grip and aesthetic appeal. Handles are typically larger, allowing full hand grip, while knobs are smaller and more compact, ideal for minimalistic designs. These hardware pieces play a key role in enhancing the overall look of the kitchen. So secondly, the hinges. Hinges is very important as hinges can assure that the longevity of your kitchen cabinet is protected. When it comes to hinges, hinges are essential hardware components used to attach cabinet doors to the frame, allowing them to open and close smoothly. They come in various types such as concealed or exposed hinges. Depending on the design and function of the cabinet, hinges are made of durable material like stainless steel or brass to ensure long-lasting performance and in addition to provide the necessary support and movement for your cabinet doors and drawers. So thirdly, the accessory is the drawers. Why drawer is so important? Because drawer can act as a very important storage in your kitchen cabinet. Drawer slides are storage compartments that slide in and out of the cabinetry, commonly used in kitchens for organizing utensils, cookware and other essentials. They are very important as they are designed with various sliding mechanisms such as side-mounted or under-mounted tracks to ensure smooth and easy operation of your kitchen cabinet. Drawers come in different sizes and configuration, often featuring dividers and organizer to maximize the space efficiently. So fourthly, under cabinet lighting is also very important features for your kitchen cabinet as it can protect you and increase the efficiency of your workflow. Under cabinet lighting refers to the light fixtures installed beneath the kitchen cabinet. It is to illuminate the countertop workspace. It enhances visibility for tasks like food preparations and cooking while also adding a layer of ambient lighting to the kitchen. This light comes in various types including LED strips, park lights and fluorescent fixtures, offering energy efficient and easy to install option. This task light and under cabinet lighting can help you to increase the efficiency of your workflow in kitchen. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional dedicated cabinet consultant. So when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.